What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a $4 keyboard. Yes, $4. I do not know what I am expecting, but let us find out together. So this is the Fantech GO K211. Full-size membrane keyboard, 104 keys, wired USB, and it actually has both English and Bangla printed on the keys, which is pretty cool. It is also spill-resistant, which is great because some of us are clumsy and we know who we are. Alright, let us open this thing up. First thing I noticed, the box actually looked clean and proper. No damage, no sad unboxing moment today. We are off to a good start. Inside I found an instruction manual, a warranty card, and then the keyboard sitting in a plastic bag looking very neat and protected. And guys, when I pulled it out, I was genuinely surprised. The quality looked way better than I expected for $4. My last keyboard was $2, and the difference is actually noticeable. Like this thing looks and feels like it belongs on a real desk setup. The keys are full size, the layout is clean, the Bangla printing on the keys is actually clear and readable, which is something a lot of cheap keyboards completely fail at. I plugged it into my laptop and it worked immediately. No drivers, no setup, just plug and type. And the typing feel is soft and quiet, which honestly I did not expect. It is comfortable to type on, and it does not sound like you are aggressively attacking your desk. Cable is around 1.5 meters long, so you have decent reach. Now be honest with yourself. This is not a gaming keyboard. It is not mechanical. There is no RGB. If you want to game competitively, this is not your guy. But if you are a student, work from home, do online classes, or just need a clean, reliable keyboard for every day, then this is genuinely a great buy for the price. $4, solid keyboard. I have zero complaints. Drop a like if this helped, and I will catch you in the next one.
And this keyboard is really amazing because this is very smooth. I mean, it feels really great. First of all, like whenever I type it, it doesn't hurt my fingers. So yeah, this is really amazing than before one, and this cost me around